And that was Notorious B.I.G. with Hypnotize. So, our next viewer has asked me to go through a midpoints. Now, this is one of the most overcomplicated topics in mathematics. Sometimes in life, less is more. Yeah, you don't want to put, if you buy some nice aftershave and you're going on, you don't put the whole bottle on. 3 sprays max, dependent on what the fragrance is. Yeah. Sometimes when you're telling a story, you want to keep it short. It makes it a better story. And this is the example with midpoints. Yeah. Less is more, people. Sometimes less is more. So we're on a midpoint. We've got 2 points connected by a line. We want to find the midpoint of that line. And you get this over the top formula. No, I don't want that. Go away. Go away. That said, I would like it for a second, so we'll just bring it back again. So what that's saying is we're finding the average of the x coordinates, comma, the average of the y coordinates. That is it. How do you find the average of 2 numbers? Exactly. We add them up and divide by 2 because there are 2 of them. So the x is -2 on the first coordinate and it's 5 on the second coordinate. So we do -2 plus 5, which is 3. And then we divide that by 2, which gives us 1.5. For the y, we have 1 for one coordinate and we have 4 for the other. So we do 1 plus 4, which is 5. And we divide by 2, which is 2.5. Job done. So that formula can go away. And we just do it by... The note to write down is it's the average of the coordinates. Hopefully you just remember it. If you don't, obviously you can come back here. So here, pause the video and find the midpoints for these 3 coordinates. I'll count you down and I'll be back. 3, 2, 1. Hello, welcome back. So 3 plus 4, 7. Half of 7, 3.5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. Second one, -3 plus 5 is 2. Half of 2 is 1. 5 plus 15 is 20. Half of 20 is 10. Hence the midpoint is 110. The third one, 3 minus 5 is -2. -5 plus 5 is 0. So if half of -2 is -1, -1, and we have the y coordinate being 0 because the average of -5 and 5 is 0. Now that will throw some of you, or would have thrown some of you. Just think, is it possible to have a coordinate on an axis? Yes, of course it is. What's the problem? Yeah? I've been Mr. Raz. Thank you for listening, and I'll catch you soon.